ingredients: 200 grams paneer, cubed, 1 cup green peas, fresh or frozen, 2 tablespoons oil or ghee, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 medium onion, finely chopped 2 medium tomatoes, puree 2 teaspoons ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/2 teaspoon cumin powder, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon red chili powder, adjust to taste, 1/2 teaspoon garam masala, salt to taste, fresh coriander leaves, chopped, for garnish. Instructions: heat oil or ghee in a pan over medium heat, add cumin seeds and let them splutter. Add finely chopped onions and saute till the copyright until they turn golden brown. Add ginger garlic paste and saute till the copyright for a minute until the raw aroma disappears. Add tomato puree and cook until the oil separates from the masala and it thickens slightly. Add coriander powder, cumin powder, turmeric powder, red chili powder, and salt. Mix well and cook for a few minutes to allow the spices to release their flavors. Add green peas and cubed paneer to the masala. Stir gently to coat them with the spices. Cover the pan and simmer for 5-7 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld together and the peas to cook. Sprinkle garam masala over the dish and give it a final stir. Garnish with freshly chopped coriander leaves. Your flavorful Mattar Paneer is now ready to be served. Enjoy it with naan, roti, or steamed rice for a wholesome and satisfying meal that celebrates the authentic flavors of Indian cuisine.